We're going to be talking about baseball and football, both of the Little League nature. Baseball, want to give a shout out to my friend Darren Day. He's the coach of a new team called the Texas Mavericks. He wanted Major. He drafted Major, or actually selected Major, my son, to be on his baseball team. Major and his son, Drayden Day, both go to Valley Ridge Elementary. And from there, they're going to be on the team together, as I mentioned before. We went out and did some stuff for Darren last year. He was the coach of the Sox last year. And so at the end of the season, he invited Major and I out for the last practice that they had, and he really liked the way Major hit the ball and fielded the ball and different things like that. So he invited him to play on the Texas Mavericks. As you can see, we have their logo back behind me. This is their team logo. This is what the T-shirts are going to look like as well. So if you know Darren Day, tell him KD from KD Sports Beat said, "What's up?" If you don't know him, get to know him. You can check him out. He has a team Facebook, Texas Mavericks, or he has a personal Facebook. I don't know that I should be giving that out to you right now, but team Facebook is Texas Maverick. Check that out. Have some spots open for a couple of more kids to be on the team. So if your son is 8 and under and want to be on a great baseball team this year, give Darren a call. Like him on Facebook, and he'll get back with you. And on another note, we're going to be talking Little League football. We're talking the Buffaloes, and as you can see, we do have our logo back behind me. And thanks to Darren. Darren is a graphic designer. He's designed the Texas Mavericks logo and the Buffalo logos that you see here behind me. He has designed those as well, so we thank him for the work on those. Some of these designs are going to be on T-shirts. The Buffaloes will still have the buffalo on the helmet, black and gold, and we're looking to do big things. We've got 4 guys signed to the roster already. We're going to be going out to the Flower Mound Spring Football League to recruit some 8-year-old players that's already participating in their league to see if we can get them to come over to our league. Other than that, like I said, just want to give a shout out to Darren Day, skipper, coach, manager of the Texas Maverick 8 and under team. Like I say, hit them on Facebook, Texas Mavericks. You can also find me on Facebook, KD Spence, or you can hit me on Twitter. It's me, KD Spence. So, like I said, this is our first installment of KD Sports Beat. Next few episodes, we're going to try to get Darren over here, get him to talk about the Texas Mavericks, get him to the KD Sports Beat studios and let him sit around and talk to me for a few minutes and let you see his face. We'll also be talking to some of the kids throughout the next few weeks as well. Try to get those kids signed for baseball and for football and do some interviews with those guys, just have a little fun and let you know what KD Sports Beat is all about. There again, thanks for hanging out with us these fine few minutes. Hope you enjoyed the first installment of KD Sports Beat. I'm KD. We'll talk to you later.